They say if you want something done right, you do it yourself. In our effort to provide you with the world's most powerful and effective herbal and nutritional supplements, Nature Sunshine has taken that saying to heart. The Pilot Lab is where it all starts. With a yearly budget of $2 million, our research and development scientists work to develop the high-quality products and numerous quality tests that Nature Sunshine is known for. Everything that we do in the plant, we first do on a micro level in the Pilot Lab. Once a product is tested and proven, the formula is finalized and we go shopping for ingredients. We travel the world to acquire the best, and then it all comes here to be tested and processed. When it comes to ingredients and raw materials, we're very picky. Every year, each vendor is screened and audited. The raw materials are tested for potency and contamination when they arrive. If anything doesn't meet our standards, it's sent back to the vendor at their expense. This standard ensures that we get the first and best pick of the crop, leaving our competitors to fight over what's left. We have 4 full-time labs dedicated to testing raw materials and all finished products. We run over 600 tests. Let's look at tests that are commonly done in each one of our 4 labs. One of our more unique and important tests is TLC, thin layer chromatography. Since our ingredients come in powder form, this test helps us identify that it's not only the right herb, but also the right part of the plant. It also checks for any fillers or adulterants, as only the most pure ingredients are accepted for our products. But that's not enough. We need to know down to the elemental level what is in our products. This unsuspecting machine is the inductively coupled mass spectrometer. A plasma flame, as hot as the sun, burns and analyzes the material down to the parts per million and even parts per billion. Though we've taken precautions throughout the production process, we also test all of our materials and finished products here in the micro lab. These tests make sure that no foreign microbes are present in our ingredients or introduced during manufacturing. Using high-performance liquid chromatography, we ensure the purity and potency of our products. These tests, and others done in the Vitamin Lab, verify the label claims on all our finished products. When you use a Nature Sunshine product, what you see on the label is what you get. We guarantee it. Now that we've seen how Nature Sunshine products are formulated and tested, let's take a look at how they are made. The issuing room is where it starts. The issuing room is a measuring room where the strict recipe that has been developed in our pilot lab is followed and produced on a large scale. Every formula is carefully measured and weighed to the milligram. Once a batch is done, it's sent downstairs to be mixed. This system is designed to help eliminate direct or cross-contamination. Each stainless steel bin is fitted with special blades that evenly blend our formulas as they're rotated in the mixer. The bin system is a pharmaceutical-grade manufacturing process, a testament to our commitment to quality. Now measured and mixed, the product is sent to be encapsulated. A process that the Hughes once did by hand is now done by 8 machines. Each can produce 2,500 capsules per minute. The liquid line is mixed in 750-gallon mixing tanks. The water used is purified on site via reverse osmosis technology. Fitted with metal detectors as an extra safety precaution, each one of our 4 packaging lines can produce tens of thousands of bottles per day. Once packaged, the bottles are labeled using a computer-controlled inventory and barcode scanner system to verify accuracy. With a global product line of over 600 products and labels for more than 30 countries on hand here in the warehouse, we have to make sure that every bottle's contents match the label. At Nature Sunshine, we follow GMPs, or Good Manufacturing Practices. These are pharmaceutical standards that we have chosen to follow for ourselves. As a consequence, we've set the bar for all other herbal supplement companies. Many of the GMPs that we implemented on our own are now industry standards required by the U.S. government. When visiting the plant, the most noticeable practice is what we wear. All employees are issued a clean uniform every day, including work shoes. Visitors are given lab coats. Everyone, bald or hairy, must wear a hairnet, beard cover, and shoe covers. In regards to our quality, some have said we're obsessed. Our vendors say we're too picky, and our competitors say our standards are too high. When we hear things like that, we tell them to relax. And if they can't, don't worry. There's an herb for that.